Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add videos and pictures over other videos in Canva. So all you have to do is to create an account in Canva, and then once done, go to create the design. You can choose presentation or whatever template here that you want. So for example, I'm going to tap on presentation. It will take me to a blank page. If you tap on the designs right here, you can see different templates that you can use. But since we will be adding videos over another video here in Canva, then I'm going to show you how to drag a video to the blank page. Just simply double tap or drag the video to the blank page. Now we have the first video. And in order for you to add video here, on Canva, all you have to do is to simply upload the file again or go to Elements and then search for another video to add. So I have already my video right here, or let's just say I'm going to Elements and then search for video like birds. I want to add birds. Go to videos and then here just double tap or drag the video here on this first video. Now, if you want to remove the background, or if you just want to place it anywhere, you can just simply move it anywhere. If you want to remove the background, just tap on the picture remover. But this feature is only for Canva Pro. So you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to have this or unlock this. And this is what it looks like. So you can just basically drag or resize the video, and here it is. So that is the first step on how to add videos over other videos in Canva. All you have to do is to drag the video to this video right here in order for you to add, as simple as that. And tap on the BG remover so that you can remove the background. As easy as that. So basically, if you want to add again, just go to elements and then search for that specific element that you want to add right here. And then same thing, just tap on the BG remover. Once done, then you can place the object anywhere. You can resize this one if you want. You can also tap on the transparency, decrease transparency, but that one is optional. Now you cannot play this to both at the same time. You need to download as MP4 and then play it. So again, if you want to look for other videos, you can upload a file or video file or go to elements and then search for another video that you want to use here. It's the same thing, double tap or just drag the video to the blank page and then resize. You can also remove the background of the first video if you want. So if you want to add again another video, just drag or double tap the video. And then to remove the background, you just have to click the BG remover. So for example, this one right here. Now, if you want to add two videos at once, you just have to resize like this. And then if you want to add again another one, just resize the video again according to whatever you want. So it depends on the view that you want to appear here. And this is what it looks like. So basically that's it. Now, same thing with the picture. You can search or upload the picture or image, and then same thing, just upload the second picture, just add this to the original or first picture. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So another thing in Canva, you can also use the transparency if you want the other video to be visible than the other one. I'm going to show you the picture. So here's the picture. Just upload the file or look for another picture right here. Tap on the video remover. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that, you can resize the picture. So it looks like it's not added here, like it's the original one or it's included in the original one. Okay, you can also tap on the transparency to decrease transparency if you want, but that is optional. So basically that's it. You can add more image or pictures, for example, if you want to add birds and so on. So that's how easy it is. Just choose the first video or picture and then add the other one. I'm going to add again this one, and then I'm going to look for birds or any object that you want or any animals. Drag it to the first picture, tap on the picture remover, and then resize if you want. So basically, that's it. So let me tap this few birds right here, double tap, tap on the BG remover, and then resize. Now go to transparency to decrease, but that is optional. And basically that's it. Now you can download this as MP4 or PNG. And that's how easy it is to add. Everything is up to you. You can upload a file, you can upload a video, or you can just search it in the elements section here in Canva. Same goes with the picture. You can upload the file, or you can go to elements and then search the specific object that you want to appear here. So basically, this is the easiest way on how to add videos and pictures over other videos here in Canva. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.